Toyota Motor plans its biggest U.S. recall because of a defect that may cause floor mats to jam down the accelerator pedal on vehicles, including the top-selling Camry and certain Lexus models. For more, Chris Richter, senior analyst from CLSA, joins us from Tokyo. Chris, your take on the recall. How big an impact do you expect it to have?
Probably financially not that big of one, but reputationally, it's going to be. It comes at a bad time for Toyota. I mean, this issue of the floor mats has been floating around for a while, but today we learned the size of it: 3.8 million units. So that affects a lot of Toyota car owners, and it's very poorly timed.
Talking about Pulley Time, the U.S. Transportation Department says the issue is critical. How critical, in your view?
Well, it's a safety issue. And any safety issue in automotive is important, and so this is an issue that they're going to have to immediately address.
And in terms of impact on Toyota shares, do you see that happening at all?
Well, I think we're seeing some today. Toyota's two peers, Nissan and Honda, are moving up today, whereas Toyota is down. So I think, this is something that is impacting the Toyota share price, just as, that this is the maker that's seen of the big Japanese three that's seen the big losses this year as well, has been negatively impacting the share price.
I'm looking at the analyst recommendations: 13 buys, 8 holds, and 2 sells. The risks in investing in this company.
Well, I think in the long term, you're probably going to do okay as economies gradually recover. Personally, in my opinion, though you'll also see that if you invest in Honda and Nissan, I think there's less risk with these companies right now. I think the key risk with Toyota right now is I think analyst expectations are too optimistic, and I think there is a risk of disappointment for this stock.
Chris Richter, CLSA, thank you so much for being with us on The Trade.